on this episode of Conspiracy Catchers. This 16-year-old from Portland, Oregon believes that birds are living beings and not government drones.
I believe birds are real ever since I can remember.
So you really believe in birds?
Yes, I believe in birds.
And what about the buzzing noise that hummingbirds make? Doesn't that sound robotic to you?
Not really, and you can explain it through...
And what about birds sitting on power lines? Aren't they siphoning off power to recharge?
Well, if you... No, not...
And what about...
I know birds are real. I know.
Yeah, I got that.
I know they're real. I bit through one with my teeth.
What was that like?
Bones snapping and blood curling.
Tell me more.
He was so close.
We
So
all know
close.
birds
So
are
close.
real. No.
Yeah. And like he was so close to
No,
proving.
whoa,
he was so-
Harold, shut up. Okay, everyone who tries to go convince the world that birds are real eventually ends up on some podcast and is portrayed as a complete moron. We have to be the ones who convince people. Okay, so no one's ever actually seen a bird up close before, so I'm thinking we try and catch one.
And how do you plan to do that?
Well, there's these things called nests where birds...
We know what nests are, Richie. It's one of the places where birds recharge.
They don't recharge, dumbass. They're living beings like you and I. Anyways, as I was saying, we should trap a bird nest.
That's a stupid idea.
Have you ever caught a bird?
Have you? And how would we even trap it?
With a trap, obviously. I don't see you coming up with any better ideas.
This idea still sucks, Richie.
Well, when you have a better idea, we can do that. Danielle, stop whistling. You're scaring the birds off. Sorry. Danielle, what did I just say?
It's not going to matter. The trap sucks anyways.
Well, maybe my trap would work perfectly fine if someone wasn't scaring off the birds, Danielle. Danielle? Harold? Harold? Danielle? Danielle? Harold? Oh!
Well. You guys really seem to be interested in birds. Now, let me tell you, birds are a vital government necessity. We used them during the Cuban Missile Crisis to spy on those goddamn Cubans. And yet you seem to think it is your liberty and your directive to blow it all up, to destroy this necessity to the American state. Now, may I ask you, and let me ask it politely, what in the hell were you doing with those nets? Oh, sorry.
Dan, yeah, why are you with him?
I never liked you guys. You're always getting me in trouble. And when they offered me the money, I couldn't say no.
Now, are either of you hooligans going to answer my question? I see how we're going to do. We're going to play some hardball, huh? Let me just tell you, I used to be like you, interfering in government work, egging my neighbor's house, spying on my hot neighbor, spying on my hot sister. We were very similar.
Okay, TMI, dude.
My point is that we're not so different, you and I.
I mean...
Shut up, Dan. Anyway, when I was 12...
get on with it.
Shut up. Anyway, as I was saying...
Just get on with it!
Okay. You two clearly have talent. You clearly have vision, and might I say, you clearly have drive. Even if you just so happen to be putting that in the wrong place. So I am going to offer you an opportunity. I would like to offer you a chance to join us.
Who's us?
The MVP, of course. Could you name any other organization trying to recruit you right now?
Jehovah's Witnesses, Mormons, the Book of Science.
Hey, are you trying to get a suit right now? Do not say that. Anyway, we would like for you to join us. So might I ask again, and let me ask politely, would you like to join us?
No!
I'm sorry, but you have forced me to play hardball. Now I am afraid that we have to terminate your contract.
I think we lost them.
Dude, that whole situation was so fucked up.
Yeah, let's never look at birds again.
Agreed. So, you want to go watch TV?
Sure.
Hello Internet, Jolly Jordan here, back at it again with another banger YouTube video. And there's been some buzz online as of recent that birds are actually real creatures? Like, what? That's freaking crazy. So I'm here at the park right now, just trying to find a bird of any kind. I'm just trying to find a bird. Oh my god, a flock of them. Oh my god, that's like 10 birds. Oh shit. No, they're flying away. No.
Dude, this sucks. Put on conspiracy catchers.